Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Today we're going to talk about what's happening with Solana. As you guys know, I'm bullish on Solana, and that's because Solana's protocol is designed to facilitate decentralized app creation. Now, Solana's blockchain mechanism is incredibly unique. It combines the proof of history consensus with the underlying proof of stake consensus of the blockchain. And because of this innovative hybrid consensus model, lots of traders are using Solana and lots of developers are building their projects on Solana. And in this video, I'm going to be including an interview with a portfolio visualization platform for Solana called Step.Finance. I attended Token 2049 and I was able to speak to Step.Finance, which is a platform for Solana, and it's an aggregator. So it brings the liquidity pool, tokens, farms and positions, and it aggregates them into an easy to read dashboard so that users can use all their positions in their wallet and see them in an easy to read manner, and also see different metrics and visualizations associated with their wallet. Now let's talk about why Solana is considered to be one of the most unique blockchain technologies out there. People are even deeming it to be better than Algorand. Recently, Solana has been touted as the Netflix of cryptocurrency. In fact, Kyle Samani, who is the co-founder and managing director of Multicoin Capital, said during his appearance on the Business Breakdown podcast that he compared Solana to Netflix. In fact, he said the interoperability of Solana is higher than Algorand's. He said that Solana is the future in the DeFi space, and that Solana can tackle the problems that we see today in the blockchain industry, and that its network is superior to the other ones. I mean, he basically said that if we get into a world where there's 1 billion daily active users that conduct hundreds of transactions per second, then the only way forward is by using Solana, because we can build on top of that DeFi applications that require zero knowledge. And this ensures that there's predictability and scalability, and Solana can provide that. Another reason we can see increasing confidence in Solana is that 21 Shares, which is a leading crypto exchange traded product provider, accredited its remarkable growth and success to Solana. In fact, this enabled 21 Shares to reach $2 billion in assets under management. We can see in this tweet that they said that our Solana ETP crossed the 100 million mark in assets under management. 3 months, and it is the top 5 and only crypto ETP amongst the best performing European ETP and ETFs in September. Another major update we have seen for Solana is that Synthetify is now live on Solana. Synthetify is a decentralized protocol that allows users to exchange and create synthetic assets on top of Solana. In this tweet a week ago, Synthetify announced that they were going live on the Solana mainnet. The number of decentralized protocols that are being built in Solana are just increasing day by day. Also, leading cryptocurrency lending and savings platform Nexo has also added their support for the Solana token. They have integrated Solana onto their platform so that users can now buy and borrow against Solana and earn up to 8% interest. Customers can also swap their Solana tokens on the Nexo exchange and borrow against the Solana tokens at around 6.9% APR. You can also see this tweet from Nexo that Solana is live on Nexo and you can buy it at true cost and earn up to 8% on its Solana and borrow at 6.9% APR. Fun fact, I got to meet the Nexo team at Token 2049. Fantastic team and fantastic lending platform. We're also seeing crypto banks being launched on Solana. Mean Protocol has a self-custody, trustless and permissionless bank called MeanFi that has now launched on the Solana network. MeanFi aims to make decentralized finance the new economic standard, and it's focused on bringing cryptocurrency and DeFi to everyday banking. They even have a hackathon. We are also seeing Phantom roll out an upgrade. So Phantom has launched its 0.12.0 upgrade. Now, this got rolled out on October 7th, and it focuses on safety improvements to protect users from malicious websites and scammers. The version 0.12.0 will make Solana safer, as some configuration was done to the digital wallet. Finally, talking about the Solana price, the crypto market is holding strong, with Bitcoin up 23.16% in the last 7 days. And as we know, the rest of the alts tend to follow in more exaggerated movements when we see bullish momentum in Bitcoin. So for Solana, we're currently at a fantastic price dip. So the price is currently $149.61 and it's down 2.91% in the last 24 hours, and the price was down 11.43% in the last 7 days. I think it's a fantastic dip. As we know, altcoins follow in rallies after we see bullish momentum in Bitcoin, and we saw that Bitcoin was up 23% in the last 7 days. Now guys, I want to go into Step.Finance and how it's a portfolio visualization platform, and it basically aggregates the entire Solana ecosystem. So you can basically have a dashboard and visualize all your positions that are based on the Solana ecosystem. So I'm going to insert the interview clip right now. Hi guys, I'm here at Token 2049, and as we know on this channel, we're super bullish on Solana. Now I'm here with the co-founder of Step.Finance, and his name is George Harrop, and you're going to tell us a little bit about how we can get involved in a fantastic new project that helps make Solana more accessible for you guys. So George, do you want to tell us a little bit about Step.Finance?
Absolutely. Well, thanks for having me along today. Yeah, look, Step is the front page of Solana. That's what we say. That's, I think it's on our front page of our actual landing page. Mainly, it's it's the place where you can see all of your positions, your entire portfolio. We're an aggregator for a lot of all of the DeFi contracts on Solana. So it's the one place to be. That's where you see.
So it's like a visual platform we can buy Solana on. How exactly does that work?
Yeah. So look, Solana has a lot of DeFi applications coming up, right? There's hundreds of them.
Becoming a choice. Solana's blockchain is becoming the choice.
They're all over the place. But the thing is, okay, let's say you're in project number 672, and you want to also, what is your position in project number 105?
Yeah.
Well, you have to usually go to individual places to do that, right? On Step, we just bring everything into one place. So
you're able to aggregate it together. That
Correct.
makes complete sense. So how did you and your founder come up with the idea? How did you see this gap in the market for this?
Yeah, well, I think probably like most Solana projects, we started out of a hackathon. Yeah. So early this year, Solana's done a lot of hackathons, but we started from a hackathon. We started with just the initial idea of being like, hey, can we just be like a place where people can easily buy crypto, like a DCA contract, something like this. But then we found out really the pain point for Solana is, okay, what's my position across all of these different these different applications, right? So why don't we be that one spot? And that's what we built out since the start of the year. We've had a great launch so far. We've got a lot of great investors on board. But right now our focus is we just got to increase the coverage on Solana. We've got to keep up with all of this stuff which is happening because, hey, we got conversations with every Solana project pretty much.
Honestly,
so
and
it's hard to keep
there
up.
are so many new projects being launched in Solana. I mentioned loads of them on the channel. So how can investors, maybe Finpacters, get involved in Step.Finance? Where can they buy it, and how can they show their support?
Yeah, so Step is listed on FTX. We're listed on a couple of other exchanges as well, MXC, AAX. But we're also on the Solana DEX as well. So anyone who's familiar with using decentralized exchanges, then
they're the best,
that's the place
you guys. I've made a video, but AstroSwap is today. So decentralized exchanges are super convenient to increase accessibility to projects that are built on whatever network that DEX is based on.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, so we're available everywhere.
Great.
We're just this. We just want to be that place that is easy for new people to come into the ecosystem and feel welcoming and understand what on earth's going on.
Perfect. Thank you so much for coming on Finpact. So guys, this was George Harrop, co-founder of Step.Finance, and I've linked everything down in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that like button down below and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when I release a video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.